Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of lighted wall sconces. So what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain. It is from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. From Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 silver mirrors or a color of your choice. You'll need 2 packs of the glass Tealight holders, or you could use thrifted Tealight holders. You're also going to need some silver leaf flakes, and they're from Michael's. Unfortunately, I don't have a link for them because I did purchase them inside the retail shop. Now, I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam wall sconces turn out absolutely beautifully, and they were so easy to make? Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.